Today's video is on the top 3 best adjustable dumbbells. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or use of it, we've got you covered. For more product information, I have included affiliate links below, updated for the best prices. Now, let's find your top pick. Number 3, best budget, Unnmiiy Adjustable Dumbbells. Looking to take your workout to the next level? The Unnmiiy 4-in-1 multifunctional dumbbell set is designed to help you maximize your home workouts by offering 4 different exercise modes in one set. With just one purchase, you can switch between dumbbells, barbells, kettlebells, and push-up stands, making it incredibly versatile for all kinds of strength training. Whether you're focusing on bench presses, squats, deadlifts, or even kettlebell swings, this set gives you the flexibility to target different muscle groups effectively. It's an excellent choice for beginners looking to start their fitness journey or experienced lifters wanting to enhance their workout routine without needing multiple pieces of equipment. Crafted from high-quality materials, these dumbbells are built to last. The exterior is made with cement and iron sand, using environmentally friendly PE materials. Inside, the combination of iron, mud, and sand helps protect your floors from damage. The deep grooves on the surface of the dumbbells provide a firm, secure grip, making them easier and safer to use. Comfort is key when it comes to working out, and the Unnmiiy set doesn't disappoint. The connecting rod is made of a thick 5mm steel tube with an additional 20mm layer of high-quality foam. The curved design of the rod fits comfortably around your neck, ensuring that it's non-slip, sweat-absorbing, and breathable. This gives you a more comfortable workout experience so you can focus on your fitness goals. When it comes to safety, these dumbbells go the extra mile. The non-slip dumbbell bars are made from durable ABS material, and their textured surface enhances grip control during exercise. You'll have better control of the dumbbells, reducing the risk of accidents and improving your overall performance. Safety is further enhanced with upgraded locking nuts that provide a more secure fit. The thickened nut thread ensures the dumbbell pieces stay firmly in place, preventing any wobbling or shifting during use. With this added safety feature, you can exercise with confidence, knowing the equipment is solid and stable. Need variety in your weight options? The Unnmiiy set offers an adjustable weight range, allowing you to customize the weight of each dumbbell from 2 pounds to 22.5 pounds. This flexibility makes it easy to adjust your workout intensity as you progress. Plus, the detachable design and easy installation save you space, taking up less than 2 square feet of storage room in your home. Whether you're looking to build muscle, improve endurance, or simply stay in shape, the Unnmiiy 4-in-1 multifunctional dumbbell set is an excellent investment. With its durable construction, adjustable weight options, enhanced safety features, and space-saving design, this set provides everything you need for an effective and versatile workout at home. Smash that subscribe button like you're dropping a dumbbell after your last brutal rep. Number 2, best overall, Keppi Adjustable Dumbbell Set. Looking to level up your home workouts without taking up too much space? With the Keppi Adjustable Dumbbell, you can get the benefits of 5 dumbbells in just one. It offers a complete weight set in the space of a single dumbbell, measuring 14 inches long, 7.5 inches wide, and 6.3 inches high. No more cluttering up your home gym, just one sleek dumbbell that covers all your needs. Adjusting the weight is a breeze thanks to Keppi's exclusive design. In just 1 second, you can effortlessly change the weight from 5 pounds to 25 pounds with a simple twist of the handle. It's all about making your workout experience smoother and more efficient. No fiddling with separate dumbbells or wasting time. Safety is a top priority, and Keppi delivers with its newly designed weight dial system. The system uses 8 locking grooves to secure the weight plates firmly in place, preventing them from shifting or rattling during your movements. The result? A dumbbell that feels solid, stable, and quiet. No distractions, no wobbles, just a smooth and secure lifting experience. This level of stability is especially important for high-intensity workouts where you need confidence in your equipment. With this reliable locking system, you can push your limits knowing your dumbbell will stay in place. Quality matters when it comes to workout gear, and Keppi doesn't cut corners. The weight plates are made entirely from high durability silicon steel, ensuring long-lasting strength and performance. The handle is crafted from aluminum alloy and features an ergonomic anti-slip grip, so you get a comfortable and secure hold every time you lift. And here's a small but satisfying detail. You'll hear a clicking sound every time you adjust the weight. That sound confirms that the plates are securely locked in, giving you peace of mind with every lift. Stability, reliability, and safety are all built into this design, making it a dumbbell you can trust for the long haul. With your purchase, you'll get the Keppi Adjustable Dumbbell, a high-strength tray, an owner's manual, and the peace of mind that comes with a lifetime warranty and friendly customer service. It's everything you need to take your fitness journey to the next level. Try Amazon Prime on us for 30 days free. Link below. Number 1, our pick, Core Fitness Adjustable Dumbbells. Looking for a versatile and space-saving way to level up your workouts? This Core Fitness Adjustable Dumbbell weight set has everything you need to train effectively at home. Your purchase includes 2 adjustable dumbbells, 2 cradles, and an exercise guide to help you get started. Plus, it comes with a 2-year parts warranty for added peace of mind. Each dumbbell in the set has dimensions of 14.5 inches long, 7.9 inches wide, and 7.2 inches high, so they're compact but still pack a punch. When you add the stand, the entire setup measures 22 inches long, 33.5 inches wide, and 31.9 inches high. This makes it perfect for any home gym, whether you have limited space or a dedicated fitness area. The best part? Each dumbbell can be adjusted from 5 pounds up to 50 pounds, making this set incredibly flexible for a wide range of exercises and fitness levels. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced lifter, you can tailor the weight to fit your needs. What makes this dumbbell set stand out is its twist lock technology, which allows for quick and easy weight adjustments. Gone are the days of fumbling with pins or awkwardly changing plates between sets. With just one hand, you can set the dumbbell into its cradle, twist the handle, and instantly change the weight. It's fast, smooth, and most importantly, it's safe, ensuring that you can focus on your workout without any interruptions. This feature makes the set not only convenient, but also incredibly efficient, so you can maximize your training time. Comfort is key when lifting weights, and the contoured, textured, and soft grip handle design on these dumbbells is made to provide the most comfortable and secure grip possible. No more worrying about slipping or discomfort mid-set. These handles give you control, helping you focus on your form and strength rather than your grip. To keep your dumbbells in great condition, remember to avoid using abrasive cleaners or petroleum-based solvents, which can damage the surface. One of the standout benefits of this adjustable dumbbell set is its compact design, which makes it easy to store and use just about anywhere. You get the convenience of a full dumbbell set with the feel of traditional dumbbells, but without taking up tons of room in your home gym. This set is perfect for those who want a clutter-free workout space while still being able to perform a wide variety of exercises. Whether you're working out in your living room, garage, or even your bedroom, you can easily integrate these dumbbells into your routine and get the most out of your workouts. Overall, the Core Fitness Adjustable Dumbbell Weight Set combines convenience, comfort, and versatility into one compact, efficient package. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned lifter, this set can meet your needs and help you achieve your fitness goals without taking up too much space or time. Remember, we've done the hard work, sifting deep into the research so you don't have to waste time on subpar products. For more product info, check the affiliate links below or our website, toppick3.com. Thanks for watching.